Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Nissan Navara, stock number 5984. This ran from the 3rd 2008 to the 08 2015. There's a YD25 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a YD25 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. The front headlight needs polish. The front guard with snorkel, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Rear tailgate 2 dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,